In this video, I am explaining about the important dates, and these important dates just mostly focus on the October Revolution and its background and after the revolutions. So, we are not go through that deeply, just found which type of date we follow today. Today, all over the world follow the Gregorian calendar. Whenever the history written according to the Julian calendar. The Julian calendar is later 13 days according to the Gregorian calendar. So, don't be confused. The date of the revolution, whatever date mentioned in the history, it is the date according to the Julian calendar, and 13 days later, when the Gregorian calendar is 13 days ahead of the Julian dates. This calendar in the February Revolution took place on 12th March, and the October Revolution took place in 7th November. When we are talking about the February Revolution, it is according to the Julian calendar, but it is 12th March. And when we are talking about the October Revolutions, it is not in October, but it is in 7th November. So all are clear. Whatever the confusion about the Women's Day celebration, that is 8th March, but actually it is 23rd of the February according to the history. So now we are discussing the Russian Revolution, the Worker Party formed 1905, when the Bloody Sunday and the revolution started in 1905. So the Bloody Sunday series of different incidents was occurred placed in 1905, and when we are talking about the October Revolution, it is 1917. So during a long time we are getting so much ups and downs in the series of different incident, but the monarchy fall, or the you can say the fall of autocracy ruler, the second Tsar Nicholas. It is also held in the 2nd March 1917. On 23rd October, Bolsheviks uprising in Petrograd. 1918 to 1920, the civil war continued took place after the October revolutions all over the Russia. 1919, formation of the Comintern, and 1929, beginning of cultivations. That means a new style of the cultivation through the cooperative society came to exist in the world. Before that, mostly land had occurred by the landlord or the according to the feudal system. So all you are clear, the system is totally different. Whatever the cooperative society system was started in 1929 by the Stalin, the disciple of the Lenin, and both the Lenin and Stalin are the follower of Karl Marx and established of socialism in the society. If we are talking about the Russian Revolution of October 1917, mainly known as October Revolutions, as the conflict between the provisional government and the Bolsheviks grew, Lenin feared the provisional government would set up the dictatorship. In September, he began discussion for an uprising against the government. Bolsheviks supporters is in the army, Soviet and factories were brought together and make a new party or the troops, army troops. On 16 October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik party to agree the socialist seizure of power. That means whatever done by the provisional government. All you know, the provisional government mostly lead by the conservative, mostly the upper caste. And whenever they came into the power, the landlord, the industrialist, the rich person, they try to dictatorship on the other person, and especially they focus on the Bolsheviks leader. They torture the leader, they suppress the Bolsheviks party, and this is the fear of the Bolsheviks party leader, the Lenin, go to the another country in exile and handle the party's activity from the foreign country. Not he stayed into the Russian country. When the power are in the provisional government done according to their will and torture the worker and other, not focus on the socialist party, Lenin want to take over the power with the help of the army troops, with the help of the worker who was not in the provision government, in favor of the provision government. The uprising began on 24th October. Sensing trouble. Sensing trouble, it cannot be explained by the word, that is called sensing trouble. You can find this word into the NCERT book, History, class 9th and page number 38. At dawn, the military man loyal to the government seized the building of the two Bolsheviks newspapers. Pro-government troops were sent to take over the telephone and the telegraph office, protect the Winter Palace. In a swift response, the military revolutionary committee ordered its supporters to seize government officers and arrest ministers. Late in the day, the ship Aurora sealed the Winter Palace, where vessels sailed down the Neva and took over the various military points. By nightfall, the city was under the committee's control and ministers had surrounded. At a meeting of the All Russian Congress Soviet in Petrograd, the majority approved the Bolsheviks' actions. Approved means support the Bolsheviks' action. An uprising took place where the heavy fighting, especially with the Moscow, by December. The Bolsheviks controlled the Moscow-Petrograd area, and this is now starting of the Lenin government. The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property. Most industries and banks nationalized in November 1917. This meant the government took over the ownership and the management.